Hello everyone, and welcome back to Poppy Seed Mini. Today is day 7 of our DIY mini advent calendar, where I will be showing you how to make your own 12-day mini advent calendar. And stay tuned for the next 5 days as we share a mini craft for each day. So let's open the craft for day 7. All right. Today is our smallest package, so let's open this up and see what we've got inside. Today, we will be making a miniature stack of Christmas cards. Each one is an individual card, and there's even little stickers on the back. And little cards inside. If you need some cute Christmas room clutter for your dollhouse, these are perfect. We had fun shrinking some of our favorite Christmas cards down to doll size for this project. All right, let's get crafting. Now, I kind of did the printable a little bit different this time because I wanted my Christmas cards to be glossy and I want my envelopes to be on plain paper so they're more like that envelope feel. So there's 2 printables for this project, and you will print the envelopes on a regular paper. And the cards I printed on a glossy brochure paper. And you can find my printables on my blog at poppyseedmini.blogspot.com, and the link will be in the description box below. Once you're finished printing everything out, you can cut out your envelopes and your cards. There's a few cards in the set that have a front side and a back side. So for these, just take a glue stick, add glue to the back side of the card, and glue the inside to the back. For the miniature envelopes, once you've got it cut out, you'll need to fold in the sides, the back, and then fold down the top like so. Isn't that cute? All right, and then just fold it back out. And make sure when you add your glue, you're only gluing the tabs and not anything else. And press that back right onto the tabs. I like to wait until the glue is dry before I fold up my card. I just feel like you get a better fold that way. Like so. For the cards without a backside, all you'll do is fold them in half. And you can add your own miniature Christmas message to the inside. Then you can add your card inside the envelope, like so. Now I added some little miniature stickers to the printable. So this would be on the printable with the cards because it's a glossy printable. And I'm just going to cut out one of these little stickers. Add a little glue to your sticker. And you can stick that to the back side of your envelope. Like so. Once all your envelopes have been filled, you can take some baker's twine, cut a bit, and starting with your envelopes face down, wrap across, and then meet in the center, like so, and then flip it back around, making sure to center your ribbon. And then you can tie a little bow in the front. Pull your loops until they are as small as you want them, like so, and trim off the rest. And you'll have your beautiful little stack of envelopes. Do you like getting Christmas cards? What's your favorite? Traditional cards or picture cards? I think picture cards are my favorite. Let us know in the comments down below. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow for day 8 of our DIY mini advent calendar. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you love making miniatures, don't forget to check out our other videos. See you tomorrow.